Hi guys, welcome with another video. In this video we will fix Facebook login error. An unexpected error occurred. So let's start without wasting any time. So first of all, click and hold on Facebook. Click on app info. After this, click on force stop. OK. And click on storage and cache. And clear cache. So after this, go back and open your settings. And click on network and internet, Wi-Fi, and make sure that your Wi-Fi is connected properly. So after this, go back and click on SIM card and network and check your mobile data will be on. So after this, go back and open Play Store app, search here Facebook and make sure that your Facebook app is updated. After doing these steps, your Facebook account will be fine. So hope you like this video. Please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.